Every person deserves access to legal representation, regardless of their income, background, or zip code. Yet, essential legal services and constitutional rights are increasingly at risk due to federal cuts and executive actions. That's why the National Legal Aid and Defender Association gathered community advocates from across the country this summer to launch JustFundIt, a national campaign dedicated to protecting and expanding federal funding for civil legal aid and public defense.
What's JustFundIt about?
Medicaid, Medicare, Social Security, disability insurance, access to food security, and that's SNAP or food stamps, education.
All these systems are being cut. And what is the one system in our country that serves as the cash basin for all the failed systems in our country? The prison system.
We are not fighting to avoid cuts. We are fighting for what true equity and justice truly looks like.
I helped a couple. She had worked in low paying, labor intensive jobs. And she was diagnosed with uterine and lung cancer in December. So she had to quit her job. She asked me to help her enroll in Medicaid so that she could start her chemo. Because without it, she wouldn't be able to afford any kind of services. This is a life and death situation. So when it comes to everything that's happening, it really enrages me and also makes me passionate about making sure that she has equitable access to healthcare.
We are pleased to partner with JustFundIt because the threats facing the people we serve are real and they are huge. And it is going to take all of us coming together to fight. And if we come together, the power is in this room, the power is with the people.
And we're all the while trying to center the people who are going to be the primarily impacted population first. And these are low-income communities, and they are not one specific person. You cannot think of an archetype. They are rural, they are urban, they are suburban, they're old, young, rich, poor.
In other words, JustFundIt, the reason we are here today, is good for all of us.
If you have one takeaway from today, it's that we cannot afford to stand by and do nothing by our low-income communities and the system they depend on during the crisis. No one, I mean absolutely no one, has the luxury of sitting out this fight.
JustFundIt.